So friends, let's go 24 hours back in time. Yesterday we discussed about types of respiration, that are aerobic and anaerobic. And now today we will discuss first about stages of respiration. There are mainly two stages of respiration: external respiration and internal respiration. And external respiration also have two parts: breathing and gaseous exchange. Breathing is a process in which we intake essential gases like O2 and exhale unessential gases like carbon dioxide through our lungs. And then gaseous exchange, it is the diffusion of O2 from lungs to blood and diffusion of CO2 from blood to lungs. Now internal respiration, it is exchange of gases in arterial blood to body cells. And now exchange of gases in plants. Leaves, stems and roots are major parts of respiration in plants. Now respiration through leaves. Leaves have small pores called stomata in them, through which diffusion of gases like O2 and CO2 occurs. And in daytime, CO2 is absorbed at a very high rate, whereas oxygen is released at a very low rate compared to CO2. And at midnight there is no respiration, so CO2 elimination. Then respiration through stems. Stems have small pores called lenticles on them, through which diffusion of gases occur. Now respiration through roots. Roots have small hair-like structure in them, and the diffusion occurs from soil to the root hair and from root hair to the soil.